When you think about self-hypnosis, instead of imagining someone throwing a pendulum in your face or telling you to close your eyes and forcing or controlling your mind to change, recognize you already have hypnotized yourself. You already are hypnotized. There's a version of you in a trance in your mind. And that version is suffering some limitation. They are suffering some story. They are experiencing the results and reality of a belief that is no longer or never was serving them and their highest goals and aspirations. And so it is up to you. There's nobody better than you to hypnotize yourself. You've already been hypnotizing yourself, so it's not only doable, but there are easy tools and steps and even so many simple equations for understanding the recipes for how to do this that you can make up your own recipe and really be a chef inside the kitchen of your mind, or go in the mind and wake up that version of you who's in the trance and really just change things. Hypnosis has been documented in changing physical things, emotional things, habitual things, responses to things. You can change things. You already do change things all of the time. Hypnosis has already been happening, and now that you have a better picture of what is happening already in your self-tranced hypnosis story, you are ready for some simple solutions. You can join me every Monday, 6 p.m. Eastern. I'm a modern day hypnosis ambassador, supporting these tools to hand them to you so that you can wake yourself up.